Katulangiriza abakulu bano tujja kufuna abafamire ya Edith kakadde bafulike mutuuse obubaka bwammwe nga bavuka nga baleze kuwubaka kale tutandike.
So good morning everyone.
Yeah,
I want to thank about my mom. My mom has died away. I'm very grateful. And once she told me that we should always be good, even though she's not around, for us we should always still be doing good. Because even though she's not around, we can't stop what we are doing right now. Now because she's not around, we can still do what we are doing. Right now she's still with us here. She's down in our hearts. All of us, she's with us. We can't just stop working because she's not around. We can continue working. We can continue learning. And by the way, I'm the only one who can talk, but others are also there. By the way, I'm called Arundel Swabamani, for those who don't know me. And by the way, since yesterday I was so heartbroken because my mom was around. But since I have other people, someone wise once told me that I have other mothers, other fathers. So even though they are not around, I still have other mothers and fathers. My mom has always once told me that we have to reap what we sow. But even though she's not around, I promise her that I promise her that I will get it. Even for those who are not around, I will get that certificate. I will study hard and I get that certificate. Not only, I cannot just say I cannot get it. God is there with me. I will do that certificate very hard. I will do it. I know I can do it when my mom is around. Because when I am alone, she was there for me. But even I didn't know how to make my name by now. But she doesn't tell me. But now today for the person I am today, because of her care, I was with my mom for 10 years. But even though she's not around, I will still survive this world without my mom. Because I have other moms, other fathers, my grandparents are still around, my aunts, my uncles, the ones I was still calling my mom, they're still around. Even though they go, I will still learn. I'll have my children and my grandchildren. They'll be there. So, love mommy, we shall see you another day. So, this one is called Adonia Frederick Itazi. I think he's 7 years old. I think he's 8 years old. Just made 8. The boy around my mom is still around. So, this is Ebo Temo Bakalikwila George, but some of you have not seen his name, one of his names there, because his names are loads. So, he's called Ebo Temo Bakalikwila. He's how old? I'm 4 years old. So I also have Atalia Atara Boshet Stasuta. She's just right there. Atalia, say hi to us. Yeah, she's still there. She can't see us in that right now. But you'll get used to it. So we have 4 children, others are there, my siblings. So yeah, love you, mommy.
Kajalo pamule kwa mungalo na ina walisa kujue Ila maneno kama waisile nini? Kushondu wetu ya kisi kwa kanso mkana. Awa program IDC wa semu kama wa mkute. Tusasira nnyo bakulu bannaffe. Twali nabo mu mikolo gyonna. IDC nga yandula bba bakadde baffe twali nabo. Ne ku mukolo twali nabo era tubadde tukuliganya. Kuba mukadde waffe taata wa IDP ne baganda be n'ekika kyonna okutwalira awamu twebaza Mukama Katonda. Naye okusinga ennyo beebaze mmwe ababaddewo kuwa IDP nga IDP ayita mu mbeera gy'otoyinza kulowoozaako nofuna ansa yaayo nga mukwano gwo gusibe mulwadde nga bw'okirowoozaako kikulema okutegeera naye akola ebyo byonna abiki by'omutukkiriza nti Mukama tagera kiri omusaba atuwemu ekisinga okwetunda. Kamira ebyo byonna ne mukadde waffe omukulu w'ekika ky'olugabo ntukanibwa basaasidde nnyo era batusaasidde era baweereza obubaka okubagiza naye nga tugattidde wamu tusaba mufumiro mubeere naye naffe nga famire olwekyo sebo mukadde wamuntu munnaffe tubasaasidde nnyo era tuli wamu naye mukama katonda abagumye nga naffe tusaba atugumye naye okusinga ennyo idisi mukama amulamuze amulamuze kisa ate era amuse buleesiigi ekiseera kyonna nga bwe tusabira ne munnaffe kubanga tubadde tumusabira era nga tuwaayo esaala zaffe idisi abadde wanyo idisi abadde wambala nga bwakuweereza omuweereza ka meseji muddamu asooka nakigambo kikugumya nti mukama ajja kubimala era n'atuukaamu amaani n'olwekyo tusaba mukama katonda ow'ekisa atusaasire wamu era tumusabire esaala zaffe zonna mukama atuwa omukisa muto wa idisi kaababuuzeeko
abadde mukyala musanyufu nnyo tulaba wano nga tukaaba naye mu mitima gyaffe abadde musanyufu omukyala omwagazi ng'anyuma ng'alina kafiga ng'adikiffe bwe twali tukula abaana atambula tebatungamba katusookere bwabwe tumalire emabega bajja kutuvuma nga mukyala mulungi nnyo era akafaananyi akaliko leero tunanjowali muganda wange naalongokika obwamisi uganda muno bwalumya bubi nandiseeko ewaffe nankulabya omwana yali gyali idisi nze yali yankuza ekyeyo sijja bbalimba naye leero mbadde mu mmogeri nga kusayiringa out nga bamunteereddaawo nenoonya akasonda nenkweke bwabulijjo bwe tuba tulina kyekukola nga nze noonya akasonda nenenkweka kati ye naakola bwe tumalizana nga mupiiso yitawo tugende kino kiwedde kati tugende tukole ekirala bwe mundabira wanera mpitawo ale kati baaba tanazensaiinga nkirakikakula nti omuntu amanya atalina kitegeevu bulungi era nzensaiinga kino naye nenkuliza nensaiinga twebaza maama kyala sebulinda namwena yona Suzani Mbatude, Suzani Mawanda, Betty mwebale nnyo Fiona, Nana, Efrida mwebale nnyo Rosette mwenna mwebale
Claro,